Hi everyone, this is Jamil here, and today in this video we're going to discuss about the career planning. What are the career planning? What are the initiative to plan your career? How to make the successful your career planning? And what are the tips and tricks to arrange your career, to manage your career, to make it successful? Everybody just worry about their career because if you are a student, you worry about your career. If you are working in some place, you are also worry about the career. People want to think about the career-oriented job. People are to think about the career-oriented business. People are think about the career-oriented profession. So in this video, we'll discuss about how to plan your career, what are the steps you need to take to make your career successful, and what sort of the career are, and what are the other steps that you need to take it to make your career. In this video, you will also learn about what are the steps of the career plannings, what are the career, and what is the process in career planning. When you talk about the career is all the individual effort to make self successful in a job, in a business, and in every day of the life. So when we talk about the career planning is all the effort to make the career successful. All your efforts, all your passions, all your enthusiasm, and all your effort to make the career successful. Career about the job, career about the business, and career about the everyday life. So when you talk about the step or process of career planning, here is first to know about yourself. These are all the four major components or are the step of career planning process. One is to know about yourself. Here you need to know about where exactly you lie and what more you need to explore it to make yourselves toward your career planning. Second is to explore the opportunities. Here you need to expand yourselves inside the counter and outside the counter just to know about what are the exactly opportunities here that you can avail it towards the career planning process. Third, you decided what to do, and after exploring the opportunity, here you decided where you're going to do it, because you develop the different alternative and you think that which is the best alternative. You choose that alternative and you decide what to do, and after that the final process, your ultimate process is the take the decision. Here you need to ultimately take the decision about the career planning, and this is all the process that you use it towards the career planning process. And after that, know about yourself. Here you know about yourself. Here you need to know your powers, your skill, your interests, and your expertise. So these 4 or 5 major components, know about yourself. Here you need to know about, and after that you will be able to explore yourself. So when you talk about the third component, that is called explore the opportunities. Which opportunities are available in the market? Choose the best relevant to your interests and expertise. So here you need to choose that is best to your expertise, your experience, your degree, your study, or your interest, or your experience. And after that you decide what to do. Take decision of your planning and activity for a successful career. So when we talk about the last, take the action. Here is the remedial or immediate action of your decision. So in this the component process, one was the know about yourself, second is explore the opportunity, third is decide what to do, and fourth is take action. So in the career planning process, if you just implement these 4 major components, you will be able to plan your career really well, so you will be able to make successful your career really well. So if you guys now subscribe my channel, yeah, please subscribe it now and press the bell icon button so that every latest update come to you first and you guys able to enjoy all the videos really well. So till next video, please take care of yourself. Goodbye.